Okay, guys, I'm going to go back to Ask Scruff. Now, this one, I flick this over. The guys are reminiscing about when the channel was first starting. And one of the beauties is I haven't changed. Unlike many other channels that you watch, they change their style and everything over and over. I haven't. If it ain't broke, I don't fix it. That's why I'm still here, still surviving. But anyway, let's get into Ask Scruff. We on to Dukas, so it's a little salute to you. And you've joined the squad. Fantastic stuff. Thank you very much. Very kind. And you're halfway through the Scruff Module 27. Yes, for those who don't know, there are modules for the guys, and there is over 50 of them. And it tells you everything about how to trade and manage yourself. And FIB, trib of key entry, and I have a question about it. In the module, you show a way of entering the market of an overextended candle. Draw the FIB, wait for the next candle to close below the 23 or above it, depending on direction, to open up a targeting of 38.50. Yeah, standard FIB retracement. And your definition of overextended is when a candle is 3 to 4 times the previous. As backtesting, I sometimes find it hard to define the extension. Okay, we'll come on to that in just a sec. Sometimes the candle's just 2 times bigger. And I was wondering, is it already 15, 20 pips start? Do I have a fixed amount of pips, like 40? No, essentially. I think it's easier to kind of show you than it is to explain. But basically, if you're looking at, say, an hourly chart, a 15, even a 5, you want something that jumps out like a sore thumb. Now, you can see these candles here. And they're relatively all roughly the same sort of size, and then wallop, this thing comes in. Right, that's an overextended candle. The reason you don't see them all the time is because they're pretty rare, but when they come, they're a good sign that you can get into the market. And the easiest definition, there's no fixed number of pips. It's considerably bigger than everything else, normally 3-4 times bigger, like that one is. And if it jumps out at you, then it's probably right. So that's your first indication. It's just something that is out of the ordinary. Now, the 2 criteria for drawing a FIB are a strong directional move, where the market moves pretty much in a singular direction and doesn't look back, and it's aggressive. That's a good criteria for a FIB. In that scenario, you have the 3 states. It's the drive, the consolidation, or the compression, and then the continuation move. Now, that continuation move can also be the retracement. So it'll be the aggressive move. So it'll aggressive up, it'll come along, and then it'll pull back down, and then it's either going to go back in the line of the trend that it came from if it stays above the 50%. If it breaks through the 50%, it would then become a reversal, and it'll be looking to come from the start of the move. Okay. Now, with an overextended candle, what we are looking for is a quick snap. So it's down, and then we're looking for this snap here. Now, if I pull this onto the 15-minute chart, which is on the other side, so let me just illustrate that here on this side. So this is the 15-minute. What I want is an extension, or a FIB rather. Draw the FIB in. If I zone it out, then straight away, there it is. There's the small compression for the snap. So on this side, it comes in quite aggressively, but you want to be able to see it. There's your move, 15 candle. And then you target into the 38 and the 50. And these are quick, safe trades, because there we are. You put your order in above there, or you put a pending order on the 23 line. It often comes back, picks it up, which it does. And then you just let it target into these, and job's done. Very, very simple. Now, when you're looking to trade, trading is all about waiting. So you can't just switch your chart on and just think, well, where's the FIB extension I needed, or the overextended candle I needed? No, you've got to wait for them to come along. But when they come, they give you a good opportunity. and that opportunity is normally pretty rock solid. And it's very easy to figure out where you're placing your stops, your running targets, you name it, and you'll see all of that as you go through the modules. And towards the end of the modules, there is a section called FIB Roadmap. Now that'll tell you all about how Kylie's really work, and it'll also tell you what the roadmap of FIB is. So I hope that helps you. Catch you soon.